We've been out here for weeks. Food's running low. We might have to resort to eating each other soon if we don't find civilization. We went out on a hiking journey and we got lost. I mean, don't get me wrong, there's still a trail, but you can never trust those. We're using our instincts. Man, woman, wild. Hold on. Down there. Water.
We could fill our already filled water bottles.
We're gonna have to fill up our water bottles. We'll get right back with you. We got our water bottles full. It's time to move on. We need to find food before it gets nightfall. Come with us. So we come across a marked up tree. That's a good sign. It means the Guerrilla Bear has been through here. I know what you're thinking. Yeah. Guerrilla Bear, you're probably scared. No, we can take it. Guerrilla bears are known to be like cuddly teddy bears. They'll let you snap their neck. We're gonna find it.
Hey, look what I found. Found some porky fruit. Meaty and sweetie at the same time.
Oh my God, we will survive. There has to be other food around here. Let's keep searching. You wanna
eat one of those?
You wanna eat a pork?
We can.
We can. We just need to sharpen a spear. Let's go. I was foraging and I found it.
Where's the message?
It's gone.
Oh God.
Somebody's already been here. We'll have to keep going. It's worth a shot though. Still not sure what day it is. Daylight savings time has really screwed me over. We've been out here forever, I think. I don't know. We're gonna keep going on though. Join us in this journey. We're still going. I just hope we find people soon. I don't know if you can see it from here, but it looks like fresh supplies. I'm gonna go grab it and I'll be right back. Yeah, it's a score. So good. So good. I'll come show you. It's hard to tell, but bird beaks, duck bills, fug nuts. It's made from real fugs. Not many people know that. We're gonna move on though. We got extra provisions. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna find shelter for the night. I have it on good authority that there's an abandoned mine somewhere around here. Don't get the sun. See? I knew it! There was an abandoned mine. We might be safe. So it looks like this is definitely going to be a suitable place to live for now. Unless there's any other dangers we don't know about. Anyway, to get back to you guys, so you know, my name is Brandon. I'm a cultural anthropologist. This is my partner, Hannah. We originally came out here to find indigenous tribes. And as you know, we have gotten lost, but... Did you hear that? The Kookaburra bird. We have to get out of here. Kookaburra bird could be anywhere. No time to stop. We'll see you in a minute. I had to leave Dr. Hannah behind. She had twisted her ankle. I hope she doesn't catch up.
You bastard!
I have to go.